Hey there guys, so what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to connect your MetaMask wallet to DEX Screener. Now, connecting your MetaMask wallet to DEX Screener allows you to trade directly from live charts, manage personalized multi-chain watch lists, and easily track your on-chain portfolio within a single interface. Now, to do this, it's quite simple. All we need to do is have your MetaMask on your Google Chrome extension login, and if you click that, it's going to be here, right? So if you go to dexscreener.com, look at the very bottom left corner of your screen that says Anon, and then there's an option that says sign in. So you want to click on sign in. Again, make sure that your MetaMask wallet is logged in and signed into on your Chrome extension. So on DEX Screener, again, click sign in. This pop-up will appear. You have an option to sign in with Google, with Apple, or Connect Wallet. Of course, we want to click on Connect Wallet like so. This new slide and pop-up will appear again. So you have several options here, several main wallets. You have Trust Wallet, Uniswap, and then of course MetaMask. So click, of course, you need to choose MetaMask and click it like so. It's going to open MetaMask and you're going to have to confirm connection on the extension. So as you can see here on our MetaMask side of things, it says connect, right? DexScreener.com, connect this website with MetaMask with account 1, because that is the account that we have in this wallet. Click connect. And as you can see, there we go. It is not connected. Verify your account. To finish connect, you must sign a message in your wallet to verify that you are the owner of this account. Sign message. There you go. Click confirm again. And as you can see, it is now successfully signed in. So that is how you do it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.